Now I'll request Durgesh Kabra ji to take this and forward. Okay, fine.
Thank you, Chairman sir. It's indeed a pleasure to be a part of this fourth executive development program for young chartered accountants who have passed recently a 2 year back or so. All respected dignitaries of our profession, Kothari ji, Bhargava ji, Agarwal ji, Ajay Gupta ji, Rajesh ji, who are going to lead today all the youngsters who are joining, and they'll be guiding from their own experience how they have sailed through their journey and they have become successful entrepreneur. Friends, when we talk of success, and as is said by our dynamic chairman, with whose guidance I am working with him in the committee CMIB, and we are taking a lot of initiative as is told by Hansraj Chukchi, and this is one of the wonderful initiative for young chartered accountants executive development program, where the top and successful entrepreneur, CFO, CEO who are chartered accountants working abroad or either working in the country are guiding to the younger generation of the professionals who are going to be the leaders of this profession and going to be the torch bearers also in times to come. So let's begin with some of the thoughts which is on success, and as is told by Hansraj Chukchi that 4 things are very important: hard work, vision, firm determination and discipline, यानी कि कड़ी मेहनत, दूरदृष्टि, पक्का इरादा और अनुशासन. And when these 4 things are important, if you roam around this and you do your working based on these 4 things, I believe that the success will be yours. And when there will be a panel discussion, you will come to know that these 4 things have played important role in the journey of these 4 successful entrepreneurs who are there today to guide all of you. Friends, let me tell you some of the points which are again very important. And these 7 points I will be talking to you, which will give you confidence and will give you success in time to come. And what are those? वो क्या है? क्योंकि आज हर कोई व्यक्ति, हर कोई चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट सफल बनना चाहता है. Everybody wants to be a successful person in the life, a professional in the life. But some of them become successful and some of them do not. It doesn't mean the chartered accountants are not successful. Chartered accountant is the only fraternity where success ratio is much more as compared to any other profession. They are entrepreneurs, they are CFOs, they are CEOs, and they are trainers. Name the area, you will find them, that the chartered accountants are there. And that's how a course which is available to all of younger generation and the students at a very, very reasonable rates as bringing laurels to their profession. Friends, coming back to the 7 things which I believe that are important for success is one, that we must have patience on our thought. Because you start any work when some thought comes in your mind and you try to put your energy on that thought and start working on it. But for that, what is needed is patience. If you do not have patience, अगर आपके पास धैर्य नहीं है आपके विचारों पर, then it is going to be very difficult for you. You may or may not be successful in one try on a thought which has come to your mind, probably. But in the second try, you will become successful. In the third try, you will become successful. And there are so many entrepreneurs like this. Even at the age of 66, the owner of the KFC became the successful entrepreneur. So, whenever thought comes in your mind, just have the patience, because it is very easy to start a work, but it is very difficult to make it successful. And for making it successful, you need to perceive it continuously. And when you perceive it continuously, progress is yours. That is for sure, friends. So that is what I believe, that you should be very careful about your thoughts and patience on the thoughts. And the important thing is, you have to be with that thought. आपको उसके पीछे पड़ना होगा, उसको पढ़ना होगा, उसको सुनना होगा, उसको समझना होगा. You have to be behind that thought. You need to understand. You need to read it. You need to listen it, and you have to have a deep dive into it. Then only you will be successful. And if you are doing that, I'm sure, boss, success will be yours. You young chartered accountants will be very successful. And then, age is told by Chuksam that hard work is very important. बहाना बनाएंगे तो काम नहीं चलेगा. Pretending is not going to help you. You can't do it. That is not going to help you. You need to do the hard work. सफलता ही परिश्रम ही सफलता की कुंजी है. The hard work is only the key to success. That is important. You have to keep in mind, and that will bring you the success. A person who pretend will not extend his success. बहाने बनाने वाले बहाने बनाते ही रह जाएंगे, सफलता उनको मिल नहीं सकती. So if you want to extend your success, you don't need to pretend, but to work hard. That is very, very important. And I'm sure when you will be putting your efforts, you are going to be successful. And it is rightly said, जो आप सभी को मालूम है, हम सभी को मालूम है, by Lord Krishna in Gita, कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मां फलेषु कदाचन. कर्म किए जा, फल की इच्छा मत कर रे इंसान. जैसे कर्म करेगा वैसे फल देगा भगवान. So friends, if you are going to put 16 hours to it, I'm sure success will be yours, because all these 4 people who are going to discuss with you, for all the 4 chartered accountants who are going to discuss with you the success story, they have worked hard. Not only 16 hours, but even more than that. So friends, it is very, very important for all of you to follow the hard work strategy. समय, सही समय कभी नहीं आता, उसको लाना पड़ता है. Right time never comes. You have to bring that right time. And right time will only be there when you are putting your best efforts for the success. And the third important thing is, keep learning always. It is very, very important. If you stop learning, if you say, मुझे तो सब कुछ आता है, then आप वहीं पर finish हो गए. You have finished yourself. So learning in the life is very important. Please don't say no to learning. Learning is going to make the difference. If you will focus on learning, it will get you earning. But if you focus on earning, then probably you will not be learning, and when you will not be learning, there will be no earning. So it is very important. Please keep continuously focusing on learning and don't block your mind that you know everything. That is very important. And friends, I believe that जिसने सीखने की कला खो दी, उसने जीतने की कला खो दी. A person who has lost the learning skill has lost the winning skill. That is very important. So if you want to be a winner, you have to be a learner. Friends, the fourth thing which I believe important is the change. Accept the change. It is very important. We need to accept the change because the change is constant. अगर हम परिवर्तनशील नहीं हैं, if we are not accepting the changes, then it is very difficult to do any business, difficult to deal with any situation which is there. If you are doing today business, what is the era today? It is digital era. It is an era of technology. And if you do not involve technology and digitization in your business, you will not be successful. So you have to adopt the changes. That is most important. And how you will adopt the changes? You need to learn again. That is more important. So if you stop learning, you will not be able to accept the changes which is required. So there should not be any resistance to change. Rather, you should always accept the change and take the change as challenge and convert that change into an opportunity. That is very, very important for all of us, and we need to continue to learn. Then the fifth one is vision, as told by our chairman sir again. I'm taking all the clues from my chairman because he is my guide there in the council also and in the committee also, being my boss at the committee. He has given me the post of co-chairman, but in fact it is vice chairman post. He respect to that extent and he normally calls me as co-chairman. So it is his greatness. But friends, let me tell you, the vision for success is equally important. And for the vision, we need to have the trust on our vision. Whatever vision, friends, you have decided for, whatever goal, friends, you have decided for, you need to trust that yes, I will achieve it. Yes, I will achieve it. And when you are having that trust, with that trust, you will surely going to achieve it. But you don't have trust on your own vision कि क्या मैं कर सकता हूं या नहीं कर सकता हूं, then there is a problem. क्योंकि सबसे बड़ा रोग है क्या कहेंगे लोग. So you have to be very careful. अपने आप पे विश्वास रखना is most important. अपने विजन पे विश्वास रखना, ट्रस्ट रखना is most important. क्या कहेंगे लोग, what the people will say, forget about that. Let us not care about the world. What exactly we want to do in the life, let us focus on that. And I'm sure when we focus on that, you will be a successful person, friends. Then the sixth point, which I just want to deal with you, is that whatever you choose to do or whatever you are doing, please enjoy it. Enjoy it. Not like entertainment. But whatever you do, you enjoy it. And when you are doing and enjoying your work, I'm sure that you will be doing justice to the work. जब तक आप एंजॉय नहीं करोगे अपने काम को, तब तक आपको जो पाना है उसके अंदर, you will not be able to achieve that. You will not be getting the success to the extent you want to achieve. So that is very important, and it is rightly said by Akshay Kumar, the hero of Indian cinema, कि अपने काम को पैशन समझ कर करो. आपको कभी नहीं लगेगा कि आप उस कार्य को करते हुए थक रहे हो या बोर हो रहे हो. और उनकी सफलता का वो ये बोलते हैं कि मेरी सफलता का यही सबसे बड़ा राज है. So friends, in the same way, if you are going to enjoy your work, you will not feel tired yourself by doing that work, and you will be a successful entrepreneur, successful CFO, successful CEO, and successful person or professional in the life. So that is very important. Don't think कि कौन सा काम बड़ा है या कौन सा काम छोटा है. Which work is small or which work is a big. Please focus on the work which you have chosen and enjoy doing it, whether it is a small work or whether it is a big work. That is very important. And if you do that, friends, I am sure you will be a successful person. Last point, which is the seventh point, which I would like to take to all of you, that always remain motivated. That is very, very important things. हमेशा आपको motivated रहना. No negative thoughts should come in the minds, because negative thoughts will take you in the doldrum, put you in the doldrum. But the positive thoughts, motivation will take you to the success. That is important. And how you can remain motivated? There are some things, some idea, some tips which can be used, which are very easily available. And first thing which we are going to do today for remaining motivated is that these 4 successful chartered accountants who are the entrepreneurs are going to keep you motivated that yes, I should be the entrepreneur like Rajesh Singh. I should be the entrepreneur like Ajay Gupta. I should be the entrepreneur like Ken Agarwal. I should be the entrepreneur like Mr. Kothari. I should be entrepreneur like Sir Harga. So, first clue I am giving you today is this. The second, see some videos which are motivational one. The third, there are various YouTube videos available that also you can see. And there are some positive affirmations daily which you can choose, and your day you can start with that. That will make difference. It will keep you always motivated. And friends, when we remain motivated, I remain motivated, you remain motivated, and we remain motivated, we all will get success. Our profession will remain motivated, that is for sure. And friends, we will be able to do the justice to what we are doing, and will achieve the success what is required in our life. With these words, I thank you all, friends. It's my indeed pleasure to be part of this wonderful 4th Executive Development Program for all the young buddies of our professions. Thank you all. Thanks to the chairman, and thanks to all the dignitaries and luminaries who are there today, who will be sharing their knowledge. Thank you all.